Did you know that allergies can develop from a simple sneeze? Imagine this. A tiny pollen grain lands on your nose, and your immune system mistakes it for a dangerous invader. It sounds like a comedy of errors, but this is how allergies begin. Your body goes into overdrive, producing antibodies and histamines, all because of a harmless speck. This quirky defense mechanism is why some people sneeze at flowers while others don't. Next time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body being overly dramatic.